Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings because you want to change how new media appears. Tap the three dots on Android or the Settings tab on iPhone, then choose Chats. Once there, look for Media Visibility or Save to Camera Roll options. Make sure the app has permission to access photos or storage in your phone system settings first, otherwise the switch won't work. This gets you to the actual toggle, so you can control visibility immediately. Now adjust the default. In Chats, flip the Media Visibility or Save to Camera Roll toggle to enable or disable automatic saving for all new chats. Once done, change per chat settings. Open any chat or group, tap Contact or Group Name, choose Media Visibility or Save to Camera Roll, and select Yes, No, or Default as needed. If you prefer granular control, disable Global Saving and enable it only for trusted chats to keep your gallery. Finish by restarting WhatsApp and verifying changes in your gallery or Photos app. This confirms the visibility toggle works. If previously downloaded media still appears, remove or hide the WhatsApp Images/Media folder using No Media File or File Manager. That stops gallery indexing. If toggles don't stick, make sure app permissions are correct, clear cache Android, or reinstall the app as a last resort. One key tip: back up important chats before reinstalling to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.